Moss Agate Crystal Stone, meaning uses, benefits, and properties. Today we're diving into a crystal that's not only beautiful but packed with meaning and healing properties. We're talking about Moss Agate, a stone that brings balance, tranquility, and a deep connection to nature. Stick around if you're curious about how this gem can support your physical and emotional well-being. What is Moss Agate? First off, let's talk about what Moss Agate actually is. It's a type of chalcedony, a mineral from the agate family. This semi-precious stone is known for its unique appearance, with green minerals scattered throughout, giving it the look of moss. You'll also see some brown or black patterns mixed in, making each stone one of a kind. The green hues of Moss Agate are linked to nature, which is why it's often called the stone of Mother Gaia. Moss Agate meaning and symbolism. Moss Agate is not just a pretty stone, it's often considered a lucky amulet. It's known to uplift and soothe, helping you feel grounded and connected to the earth. The stone is especially helpful for anyone who feels disconnected or overwhelmed by modern life. It's said to promote tranquility and emotional balance, making it perfect for those who struggle with aggression or being overly nurturing. Moss Agate brings peace and harmony, helping to balance out your energy. Emotional and spiritual benefits. One of the standout benefits of Moss Agate is its ability to balance emotions. If you often experience mood swings, this stone can help bring stability and calmness. It works especially well for people who are overly nurturing to the point of being a people pleaser, or those who struggle with strong feelings of aggression. Essentially, it brings balance to your masculine and feminine energies. Moss Agate is also connected to the heart chakra, the center of love, compassion, and emotional healing. When your heart chakra is open and balanced, you feel more connected to yourself and others, leading to better relationships and a more harmonious life. Moss Agate and the zodiac. Moss Agate is particularly powerful for two zodiac signs, Aquarius and Virgo. For Aquarians, known for their love of friendship and socializing, Moss Agate can help foster new relationships and bring in good energy when meeting new people. It's great for opening up to others and forming meaningful connections. For Virgos, Moss Agate helps calm their often analytical minds and encourages them to step out of their heads and into the present moment. It's perfect for Virgos who tend to overthink things and need help embracing a more balanced, peaceful state of mind. Physical healing properties. But Moss Agate isn't just for emotional or spiritual healing. It has some physical healing benefits as well. It's believed to boost your immune system, help with digestive issues, and reduce inflammation. If you've been struggling with frequent colds or low energy, Moss Agate might help give your immune system a much-needed boost. It's also been said to help with conditions like hypoglycemia, fungal infections, and issues related to the circulatory system. How to use Moss Agate? There are plenty of ways to incorporate Moss Agate into your daily life. If you want to attract prosperity and abundance, you can place the stone in your home or office. Moss Agate is known for its ability to bring positive energy into any space, so it's perfect for places where you want to invite good vibes. Moss Agate also works great in jewelry. Wear it as a bracelet, necklace, or ring to keep its healing properties close to your body. If you wear it regularly, you'll be surrounded by its calming energy all day long. Cleansing and caring for your Moss Agate. To keep your Moss Agate working at its best, it's important to regularly cleanse and charge it. You can do this by smudging it with lavender or sage or simply running it under water. The stone also loves being in the presence of plants and greenery, so you can place it near your favorite houseplants to recharge its energy. Moss Agate crystal pairings. If you want to get even more out of your Moss Agate, consider pairing it with other healing stones. Amethyst, blue lace agate, and tiger's eye are all great companions for Moss Agate, each adding their own unique healing properties to enhance its effects. Conclusion: Moss Agate is truly a magical stone. Whether you're looking for emotional healing, physical support, or just a bit of good luck, this crystal has something to offer. So if you haven't added it to your collection yet, now might be the perfect time to start. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crystal tips and healing insights.